a video?
Yes. For YouTube.
No way.
You're not in it. They can't see your face. But you can still play with them. I'll make sure they want to see the dog, not you. Or your hair. Buddy! Stop chewing her hair. Buddy. Buddy. Hey, boy. Oh, gosh, lag. Buddy. Buddy.
¿Qué fue ese que dijo eso?
Don't buy my toy. I mean my toe, not my toy. You licking me, you biting me, you doing everything to me. You give me joy. You playing with her. You playing with her. Buddy. Buddy. Oh my God, you're so cute. Show me the national paw. Buddy, show me the national paw. Don't bite me when I'm showing. When you're showing the national paw. Wait, let me turn on the light. Ah, my foot. Buddy, buddy, where are you? It's so hard to keep your face out of this recording. Buddy, buddy. You're so cute. I see. You can see the socks. You can see your socks.
My sexy, sexy socks.
They're not your. They're not sexy.
They're very sexy.
No, they're not. They are not.
They are. Look at it.
They are not. They're Hello Kitty. A 5-year-old. 5-year-old with a job at Hershey's. I meant Harvey's, not Hershey's.
You can't put that kind of information on YouTube, Max. You can't say where I work. That's just gay.
I'm not hungry. And my mom's making me Jello. Okay. Hey, buddy. Come here, boy. Here. Here. Coming to you. Don't think those socks are sexy. They're not sexy, boy.
Very beautiful.
It's hard to keep you like. There's probably like glimpses of you. Hershey's. I'm not sponsored. Buddy. Oh, you tired, Pooch. You're tired, Pooch. Tired, Pooch. All they can see is your hair and the doggy going into your hair. But you're really taking a selfie. You can see it over there, but he's not looking. Oh, you can see the little thing there. Buddy. Buddy. I want to pet him. Buddy. Buddy. Come here, boy. Oh, my gosh. Buddy. Buddy. Buddy, you want to show YouTube your bed? Look. Look at your bed. Look at your bed. He's on your butt. He was on your butt. Hey, just because he likes your socks doesn't mean that doesn't make it sexy. No, they're not. I'm gonna end the video. Bye, guys.